Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back.
Oh my God, napakaganda dito. Good morning guys. Today is January 14. It's Ate's birthday. Happy birthday, Ate. Now it's day 2. We're going to visit a couple of temples. Pero binuko ko siya sa Klook. Late na kami. Dapat 7 o'clock ready na kami. But right now it's 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. We still need to go for breakfast. And then we need to proceed to Central World for the meetup for the Klook tour. But I want to show you how my outfit looks like. So I got this shirt. Well, this shirt is from a gift from my sister-in-law. This is my pants. And my old trusty, ayan, old trusty Crocs from my brother. I forgot my DJI pouch underneath the seat in front of me sa airplane. So I'm trying to reach out to Philippine Airlines. I hope they can find it and help me have it back. I'm not gonna mull over it. Life has to move on. This morning. Good morning, Bangkok! Walang energy yung mga kasama ko for today's video.
A few moments later.
Good morning, Bangkok! Good morning, guys! Ano ba yun? Walang energy! This is at around 8:15 in the morning. Medyo matagal kasi yung pag-pick up ni Grab ng booking namin. So we opted to ride the tuk-tuk, which is parked outside the hotel. From Bangkok City Hotel going to Central World, dun sa pick-up place ni Klook, it's around 200 baht. Our tour meets in the Central World Mall by the Hog Thai. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Hog Thai area. This is where all the tour buses are parked. Good thing we're the first one to arrive in the area. Nariyan po ang aking mga kasama. Walang t-shirt.
Bibili na t-shirt mamaya.
Madami.
Naka-elephant pants later.
So, yun na nga. The tour guide examined all the clothes that we're wearing prior to boarding the bus. And sabi nga niya, my cousin and my tita needs to buy like a clothing or something upon arrival in the temple. Medyo strict kasi yung dress code dun sa temple. Akala kasi namin, pwede yung shawl lang. Anong oras na gaya?
Time check, it's 3 a.m.
Okay, tumunag tayo pupunta. Teka.
Late na yung Klook kasi sabi nila ang departure is 8:45.
Correct. So, pupunta tayo sa Grand Palace.
Dito muna tayo.
Temple of the Emerald Buddha. Wat Phra. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan.
Grand
Palace. Wat Po.
Lunchtime.
And then, sasakay tayo ng boat para pumunta ng Wat Arun. And then, babalik tayo ng 5 p.m. dito sa Central World. Sabi kasi 8:45 daw departure, pero anong oras na? 8:56.
8:56. Nagmamadali pa ko.
Siguro, naghihintay sila ng iba pa kasi may mga empty seats pa eh. Na I think the best time to travel Thailand is during January.
Ang lamig. Hindi
sana later.
Typical na summer.
Sana later, pag mga tirik na yung araw, hindi ganun ka init. Para bang bearable
kasi
ba?
may maga pa eh.
Oo. Pero malamig siya sa labas, nagtuk-tuk ride kami papunta dito.
Last one. Do you know how to say bye bye?
Ano?
No? We say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye is bye bye. Okay, so welcome to Thailand. Anyone been Thailand before?
Yes.
Anyone been Thailand before?
Yes.
Okay, so Alright, so the first place that we're gonna go is the most sacred place in Thailand. Okay, the kings always go there to worship. Thai people always go there to ceremony, and tourists always go there to taking pictures. So, which means they have the local.
Happy birthday! Ate, pawak naman pa.
Ayan po. Angelica.
XL ang bigay. Ha? XL. Kasya ba sa'yo, mama?
Isa pa, ge. Siguro, kapag pag new next na balik, siguro pwede na nating i-DIY ito. Para hindi tayo nagmamadaling hahabol ng hahabol. Mas better yun. Ayan ang aming tour guide, si Nam. Alam ko naman pangalan. Hi, tita!
Ticket inside.
Show the ticket.
Show ticket and right.
This is our ticket.
Show the ticket to the officer and go the right side. Everyone show your ticket, show ticket and right side.
Good morning! Thank you! Oh my God! Napakaganda dito! Ang daming tao pero napakaganda. Ganda dito. I like it here. I love it here. Kaya lang sobrang daming tao.
Ang ganda!
Ang ganda, oh.
Ang ganda, guys. Pag nakita niyo yung mga nila,
Tita Ami,
na
si
shiny
Tita Ami.
shimmering sa bawat,
Kasi Tita Ami.
sa bawat pillar ng temple
Tita Ami
nila. Ang
busy
ganda.
Oh.
Sobrang ganda.
Very nice.
Hindi ako mahilig sa temple pero ito nagandahan ako.
Ayan, oh. Very good. Napakakulay, no?
Ang amazing. Paano nila ginawa tong temple na to.
Correct.
Closer, everyone. You put the closer. You can.
Welcome back. Apo. Okay, pasaway tayo. Alikan na. Nandito na naman kami with our tour guide right there.
Hi guys.
Ayan na. Naka-open na siya.
So if gusto niyo magkaroon ng hassle-free na
Correct.
na Bangkok temple tour, book na kayo sa Klook.
The
Correct.
temple we call outer called outer. Right now it's a middle of middle. Okay, chocolate ladder over there. Okay, that's what we call inner palace. That's
Inner
what it
palace.
says. So outer, middle, inner. Okay, for the inner palace, for the one who love to
Sila ng picture, yung mga alaga namin. Oh,
Wait lang.
ayan. We're done with the first temple.
So
We're now
we're going
going
back
to the next one.
sa bus. The next.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Basta
Alam mo,
susunod na lang
go
kami
with the
sa
flow lang
Klook.
ako eh.
So guys, book na kayo sa Klook. Wow, endorser!
Dapat pala meron kang discount code. I think that's the only con of doing a group tour.
Hindi mo hawak oras.
Correct. Yung gusto mong yung gusto mo pang mag-picture.
Feeling ko naman kaya na i-DIY. Siguro,
The next time. Eh kasi
oo,
naman,
sasakay ka lang ng tuk-tuk or pwede ka mag-grab.
pero kasi
or
ang convenience
mag-Bolt.
nito.
Oh, hindi ka na mahirapan.
Correct.
Tsaka alam mo yung pupuntahan mo.
May bus nang dedicated
Yeah.
for you.
500 bathi entrance for Grand Palace. So pag
Per person. Magkano yun?
per person, 500. Siguro mga around
800.
800 or 900 pesos.
Correct. Kasi 1,000 is like 1,600.
Ito kayong pink and yellow na hat.
Diba twinning sila kanilang sun hat?
Perfect.
O, yan na.
Ang colorful niya.
Yeah. Number 1, kailangan may sun hat ka. Init.
Yes, water.
And also sunglasses. The place is big, no?
Super. Akala ko yun lang yung nasa loob.
Oo. Dami.
Kaya kung mahilig kayo mag-take ng pictures, aabutin kayo ng half day dito talaga.
Oh, ito pa lang. Parang feeling ko isang destination na to.
Ano, pwede
Actually, ikaw, Ge, sa'yo, kayang-kaya mo yan. Mga 1, 2, or 3, 3 temples. Eh, pero kami mga aging na.
Hindi na kaya.
Kaya anong klaseng mga caregiver daw tayo? Nauuna pa daw tayo sa kanila.
We lead the way.
Lead the way, correct. Yan lang naalala ko. Maybe may picture tayo, di ba?
Picturean ko kayo?
Ate. So, right now we're at the reclining Buddha. Ayan yung paa. Naka-face lock. Nandito kami sa, ano tawag?
Reclining Buddha.
Reclining. Hindi sleeping, but reclining.
Reclining Buddha pala siya.
Home Cafe for lunch.
Siguro lagi ka gumagano.
I'm tired.
Wala mo din mo kayo kahapon, kahit konti ingat, wala.
We're gonna cross the river. I think we're going to that next temple. We're here right now in a pier, going to Wat Arun.
Para picture mo ako dito. Picture mo nga ako.
Our tour is done. We're heading back to Central World. One World. Ano yun? Finally. So, I think the tour is going to end at like 5 p.m.
You feeling better now?
Huh?
Okay, if you're feeling better, we have one more temple left.
Oh. No more.
Free, you know? Yeah, for free, you know?
No.
Are you going with me?
No.
No? Right.
We're tired.
Okay, so today you are walking tour, right? I call this tour sexy tour. Okay, are you look sexier than this morning or not?
I
Yes.
know, right? Actually, tinitingnan ko rin siya eh. Ang ganda. Mas mura na 5.9. Bakit magkano ba yan?
Yan, 9.9.
Or ito, kasi generic. But it's...
Hindi kasi ako sa body box.
Ito ko sa...
Guys, fit check. Tingnan natin kung ano mas maganda. This one na small na square na maliit. Or this one.